Hello students, today's my topic is multiplication. Multiplication. As we know that multiplication is a long process. In my topic, we use Vedic techniques. Vedic techniques to solve this multiplication. And today we discuss only 1 cross 1. 1 cross 1 multiply. I know this is a very easy topic, but my motive is to teach techniques which can we use to reduce our multiplication and time consuming, and we got answer within a seconds. So as we multiply any number to 5, then we see what to do. Like as if we want to 8 multiply to 5, then we got answer is 40. I know we know the tables, then so it is very easy, but here we also use this technique. So step 1. In step 1, what we do the half of this number. Half of this number, half of 8 is 4. And then step 2, put 0 on ones place. Then we get that is 40. This video is for that students who are studied in 3rd, 4th standard. Those students who find difficulty to learn tables, then this technique is beneficial for them. So now we take another example and follow this process. So if you want to multiply as a 17 to 5, 18 to 5, then what to do? Then first step is half of that number. In step first, we got half of that number. 18's a half is 9. And step 2 and step 2, put 0 on ones place. So we got answer is 90. You can also check your answers. 18 multiply by 5. So then in this technique what we do, we have to read tables up to 8. 5 ones are 5, 5 2's are 10, 5 3's are 15, like this, and 5 8's are 40, 0, 4 carry, and then 5 ones are 5 and 4 9. But in this method is less time consuming, and we not need to read tables anymore. But it doesn't mean that we need not tables, that are also important for us. So we take second example. like as a if we want to 90 to multiply with 5, then half of 90 is 45, and then put a 0 on one's place. Within a one step we got the answers. So this is a one method, and now I clear that this method is used, we used this method for 8, 18, 90. Do you know what are these numbers? These are even numbers, and this method we use only for even numbers. Now also in counting we have also odd numbers also. So now we discuss about odd numbers. Odd numbers like 1, 3, 7, 15, 11, 19 and up to so on. And also even numbers are that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on. You also know that even numbers that are got to be in pairs, and odd numbers with extra single digit. So what is the method for odd numbers? In step first, what we do minus 1 from any number. First we do minus 1, and step second is same as we use in a even method. Then half of that number, and step third, that is same to the first technique, but here is difference. In even digits we use 0 at one's place, but if we deal with odd numbers, then what to do? Then we got 5 on one's place. Okay, let's see examples first. Like a 17, we want to 17 multiply 5. Then what to do? In first step we do minus 1. 17 minus 1, that is equal to 16. And step 2, half of 16, that is 8. And step third, that is take 5 on one's place. So answer 85. In this method we don't need to any multiplication, any table. So let's see second example. Like as we want to 63 multiply to 5. So first step is 62 minus 1. We minus 1, that is equal to 62, and half of 62 is equal to 31. Half of 62 is equal to 31, and we got 5 on its ones place, and this is the answer. You can also check your answer with long method. 5 3s are 5, 1 carry, 5 6 are 30 or 1 31. So this method is also simple, and we don't need to any multiply these numbers. We can use not only 2 by 1 digit, also 3 by 1. Like as a third example, that is 1 4 5 to multiply 5. But let me clear, this rules is only for one digit. With if you want to multiply with 5, then only then you can use this method. If you want to other number, Then we have so many other methods, but this is the one. So 145, half of, first step is half of 45 minus 1, because 145 is an odd number, so we minus 1, we do minus 1, that is 144, and after that 144 divided by 2, that means we got half of this number, that is equal to 72. Then 5 on its ones place. So that is our answer. Thank you.